Children, I hope you are all fine at home. Today we are going to start new lesson of social study, class 4th, chapter 3rd, that is Introduction to Civics. Children, the theme of this chapter is the responsibilities of a good citizen. Let us start our chapter. First of all, we have to know what is civic. Civic means society, so all the individuals stay in a society and group of society which makes a nation. It deals with the rights and duties of a country. Civic education means how our country in political system works and what are the duties and rights of the citizens. It makes us aware that we need to cooperate with everyone around us. It also tells us how to live together and help each other. The question is how the students get knowledge about civic. Students get the knowledge through the socializations, which means learn new things about society, about citizen, about goodness, cooperation, values to way to live, etc. For example, knowledge developed is the process of socializations. It is the art of teaching. It can done by teaching and training. It helps to get views and opinions. That makes aware you about rights and duties. Rights, political right, social right, economic right. Political way, you can take part in voting system if your age is 18 and above. Socially, there is no discrimination, caste, creed, and religion. Economically, there is no gap between rich and poor. Besides these, there are given some duties. Duties to clean the road, street clean and take care of public property, etc. Civic sense. Civic sense means social ethics, means morality. Ethics means ability to judge what is good as humans because we involve in society, but sometimes people engage in criminal acts. The society punish them and people who good appreciate it. So ethics is way to live good life. It is a duty of individual. Individual mean one person towards the society. It makes keeping the roads, streets and public property clean. It relates the creating an awareness as regard cleaning surrounding. Civic sense also means following the law of the country and maintaining discipline in public places. It also includes having kindness for fellow human beings, which means being polite, showing care towards elderly people and children, and throwing garbage in dustbin, etc. When some people do not show civic sense, harm to the society. For example, some people believe that given that we pay taxes, we have a right to throw garbage, spit on the road, and the government has a duty to clean it. During the rains, our roads block daily life, but we continue to blame the government for not cleaning the drains. Citizen. Citizen is a person who legally lives in a country and has the rights and protection of that country. A good citizen always be loyal to his country and help the community. There are some points to being a good citizen. A good citizen should obey laws and respect authority. Good citizen should be aware of his civic and social duty. Good citizen should keep his surrounding, that is near, and country clean. He should respect and love his country. He should pay taxes fairly and on time. Being a good neighbor. Neighbors are people who live close to our house. Even you are neighbor to someone. Good neighbor should love and respect each other. They should be very friendly and helpful with others. But we have a lack collective moral behavior. We do not care about anyone in society. We have become too lazy to show our sympathy. For being a good neighbor, Don't criticize the poor conditions of the country. Don't throw the garbage in neighborhood. Don't spit on the road. So good neighbor will be a good citizen. So students, there are given some brain game. Learn it and note down your notebooks. Thank you.